printed electronics unit at Henkel. And enabling the next generation of multifunctional medical skin patches with printed electronics. We're very much looking forward to this presentation, and over to you guys.
Thank you, Martin. So we will be talking to you today together, Henkel and Accensors together. I think you will see in the remainder of the presentation why we actually put so much emphasis on partnerships in this space. The overview of the presentation today is a very short introduction of what we do. Then also some of the expertise and experience we have in health patches as Henkel. And then also looking to where we can assist you in bringing your product to the market. And then also a few examples of where we have been from prototype to commercial stage with a couple of healthcare applications using printed electronics. Then Eike will present on Accensors, all the nice sensing technologies that they have. And then ending with two material slides of new materials that we have developed and have commercialized, and with some conclusions at the end. So this is both of us. So I'm Stijn. I'm, as Martin said, leading printed electronics team at Henkel. So that's a global team, 21 people right now, to accelerate the growth of this printed electronics technology. Eike, maybe you can also shortly introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. Hi, my name is Eike Kottkamp. I'm the CEO and founder and one of the shareholder of the Inome. And one of our business unit is Accensors, where we developed and produce foil-based sensors, mainly printed. And I have done this for 6 years, and so we are still in the way to the mass production.
Okay, thank you. So I think we are talking here about health patches today, and what we all see, and we've seen it in other presentations today already, is that people start to implement health patches more and more. I think today still the main focus or the main market for health patches is ECG monitoring. So on the left, where you go from a complete wire system or a halter system with wires to actually an electronic sticker on the chest. But the same is true actually for sleep monitoring, epilepsy, and fetal monitoring. I think we heard that in the previous presentation of DuPont and Holst as well. The technology is very similar for all of this. So it's basically an electronic sticker that measures signals from the body and then reports them into a software system. So there are many startup companies and larger companies focused on this. What is now more new is actually also then transferring that knowledge and that sensing capability also into wound care, and then also into hydration monitoring, which are things which are still at the lower TRL levels. So this is what we see happening in the market today. And of course, we as Henkel, but also from Accensor side, we want to be a part of that. And I think everybody knows here on the call that we from Henkel, our core knowledge is actually functional ink materials that you can see here on the left. So we have a whole range of functional ink materials that we have been selling for close to 50 years, I think, in the market. Our customers typically use that liquid ink material and they apply it by a printing process. And then the device can be converted into glucose testing strips, for example, ECG electrodes, but then also what I showed on the previous slide. Now, this is what our standard business, basically. But I think where we differentiate from our competition is that we actually put a lot of focus on how we can help you guys to get